The purpose of saying no to protest, now I no understand. Say Nigeria, wow, are you trying to prove that Nigeria is okay? Nigeria is fine?
I build blog space TV. Like say echo from the bone, just taking from the butter.
See, if you no feel protest, no dey tell body wey don make up their mind say they wan protest.
Not to channel Ijoba Lande TV bitatimu gist at entertainment.
Are you not in this country?
Fún ẹ̀yin subscribers wa
Because I don't know how some people are they always thinking, and some people
fún ẹ̀yin tí ẹ ò tí subscribe ẹ bá wa subscribe kẹ́ lè máa rí àwọn update wa ní ọlọ́kan ọjọ́kan. Kẹ́ bá ti wo fídíò ìtàn ẹ má gbàgbé kẹ́ bá wa like kẹ́ bá wa share kẹ́ bá wa comment.
That's the problem we are facing in this country. There's nobody that will tell me that no say Nigeria dey hard right now. If you say Nigeria no dey hard for your side, that's mean you are a politician or you are armed robber. You understand? You know how many people in this country where they don't dey depressed for inside house, where they no fit come out because of add something to one Nigerian thing. Even some millionaire, they depressed because if they do business, the business now you they patronize yourself. Not be all these mekono still they patronize you. Now you know if you protest not by force, but not be to they advise people where want protest. Say make them no protest because protest is not a war. Is it a war? Me o ti man can tell you if man need nǹkan like pay if you need something from your daddy you ask for it okay we dey protest for God. All this prayer you are doing you are protest for God. When you need something you challenge God say Ọlọ́run nǹkan báyìí mo fẹ́ kó ṣe fún mi o ṣe fún mi now. That's what protest. Protest is not a war. Kò ń ṣogun kò ń ṣèjà. If you cannot go to the protest, you have right them people that go that see peaceful protest, no fight. I never see him in my life. This first time I will see him in entirety of my life. Say no to protest. Now I'm going to 40 years now. Since over 30 something years ago, I never hear him say no to protest in my life. My parents, when we still dey small, they don't dey protest. Táwọn èèyàn bá jẹ àwọn teacher lówó, àwọn òṣìṣẹ́ lówó, àwọn kankan lówó, wọ́n fẹ́ ònú hàn, ìjọba ń tà fẹ́ lélẹ̀, ìjọba náà dẹ̀ máa bá wọn sọ̀rọ̀, they go negotiate. But why this one protest? Can't they fear everybody? Why can't they shake the whole nation? Why now? What is inside the so now you can't they see another person? Some go say no to protest. And the people where they suffer for this country new. The one where invest me past now, Borno state people, where they carry say no to protest. Where be say every day that they kidnap you, that they kill you, that they kill your parents, that they kill your child. Are you people okay? Now, when this thing now come the high, where they see say this protest, it won't hurt. Now, rice, we dey buy rice, bag of rice, 95,000 naira. The rice, they come put down for 40,000. Why they not put down for 40,000 since? Why now? Because these people, they don't see us finish. Our mekunu antiri watan, they know say anything they do, they talk. We go agree. We no have option. Those people where they say no to protest, say no to protest. Is this people they protest say at this? So now the purpose of saying no to protest, now I no understand. Say Nigeria, wow, are you trying to prove that Nigeria is okay, Nigeria is fine, or what are you trying to say bring out for that side? You don't understand?
I understand.
What are you trying to bring out in that side? Say no to protest. Say, I'm okay, Nigeria. You know, for many countries, you know, like as I did like this, if you say na USA I did, are supposed to collect CCN, SSI. If you say in America a day, are supposed to collect SSI because many people do. So I get some many people will be say if they think too much, they disabled be that. I be disabled too because I dey think. This Nigeria they make me think. And make I tell you people true. Nobody see all this die where on they use the alarm anybody. Nobody even they fear for die anymore. Nobody they fear of die because everybody don't die already. For this country, everybody don't die already. So yeah, nobody they anything being passing. Now you bring rice to 40,000. You say, do you bring pepper because of rice? Oh, say pay it's a kg, rice kg to 40,000. Say I'm tata. You know how much they sell tomatoes for market? You dey there, you dey bury money for your house, you dey bury money dey spoil there. And people dey for outside where they no fit avoid 2,000 naira a day. Some people never eat this morning. They don't know wetin they go eat, talk less of afternoon, talk less of night. In this country. Some people don't know where they sleep, where your dog dey sleep. Some people never sleep there. And you come out today say no to protest. See, if you don't have respect, and the problem we are having in this country, most of celebrities is among of the problem of this country. Where they give most of them some things now, they go change talk. No, now we are all Nigeria. We are not a slave. See, this video I do now, anything you like, you feel talk, you feel curse me. Tomorrow, you feel walk on and arrest me. Before too, anybody not even happy for Nigeria. So anything where it won't happen, nobody even care. Like me now, I don't care. Anything where it won't happen, make it stop. You understand? Get out.